Nearly 1 million people die each year from water, sanitation and hygiene-related diseases which could be reduced with access to safe water and sanitation. And yet, achieving Sustainable Development Goal 6.2, access to adequate and equitable sanitation and hygiene for all, remains a tough nut to crack. Aid efforts have brought some relief, but not enough. Here in Busia, Kenya, Finish Inc. has taken a different approach. They're creating a market for sanitation products based on supply and demand, and the results are astonishing.
It is a public-private collaboration whereby the government, the civil societies, financial institutions and businesses work together to drive a social agenda. We interpreted sanitation to be a product that could be put out there in the market. And for you to do that, the basic parameters of a market is that you have to create demand. And in this case, out of our deep reflection, we decided to work very closely with the government. The government is a co-investor and it also provides the enabling environment, including giving us the officers to be part and parcel of the promotion work.
This promotion work is done by marketeers like Susan. They go round the houses and explain the importance of improved sanitation.
As of marketing and sanitation, tunauza choo ya kisasa, choo bora. Pale vijijini, watu walikuwa wanatumia zile choo za kitambo za udongo, na kule nyumbani maji kikuja ilikuwa inabeba hizo choo. Sasa tulipopata mafunzo ya kujenga hizi jiko, tulitembea kwa vijijini, tukaambia watu wetu tujenge hizi choo bora, ambazo ni za bei mzuri, haina gharama mingi, kwa sababu vile choo matofali tunayotumia tunayatengeneza wenyewe.
In collaboration with local masons, the program has been able to develop low-cost, sustainable toilets which are accessible to a large part of the population. In addition, the project involves finance institutions to provide homeowners access to loans for sanitation improvements.
Our local communities really know about the culture of saving, the culture of credit, borrowing and repaying that. So the financial institutions do financial literacy, and at the same time, they are able to advance credit to communities.
Financing institutions are not only opening up to consumers, they're now also servicing small entrepreneurs. In Susan's case, the income generated from her marketing work has allowed her to access a loan which she used to start her own business.
I'm very successful because for one, kutokana na zile savings kidogo, niliweza kuanza aka biashara. Na zile savings kidogo, nikaenda CD Bank, nikaomba loan. Kupata hizi loans sio vigumu. Next is to improve the business, make it grow. Ikikuwa kubwa, pia mimi niajiri mtu mmoja wawili, pia wajivunia huyu mama ndiye aliyenisaidia. Nilikuwa namfanyia kazi, alikuwa ananilipa vizuri, ndio maana hata nikawa penye niko sasa.
Finish started in India and has also run in Bangladesh, Ethiopia, Tanzania and Uganda. In Kenya, it has been replicated successfully in 7 other counties besides Busia.
You can see Finish is unlocking a new way of thinking about how best to advance building of toilets in rural communities. But I want to say this, our work is to kickstart. We empower. And the moment we do the empowerment, then we leave the other cog moving by itself. The percentage of improved sanitation coverage in Busia, it was around that 3% when we came in Busia. And in this case, by the time when we were quitting, the percentage of improved sanitation coverage was more than around 67%.
Kufikia penye tuko imekuwa vigumu. Mwanzo pale watu walikuwa wamezoea ile maisha yao, umwendee, umsalimie, umwambie niko na hii. Inachukua muda kumconvince. Baada ya kujenga hizi choo, mabadiliko yapo ni mengi. Kila boma sasa iko na choo. Na hizo harufu mbaya tulikuwa tunazipata hakuna. Kitambo hapa tulikuwa na magonjwa mengi, watu walikuwa na harisha. Kwa sababu ile pesa tulikuwa tunatumia kutibu watoto wetu wamepata magonjwa, wanajisaidia nje. Saa hiyo pesa inafanya kazi nyingine. Tunanunulia watoto wetu chakula, tunalipia karo. Hiyo muda sasa tunafanyia kazi yetu.
Finish is one of the greatest aspirations. It's one of the greatest innovations I ever encountered. A novel idea that came to break otherwise a very challenging situation. And I know we continue cracking our mind to think how best we can make this more sustainable, how best we can make it scalable.
1 million people have been reached with hygiene promotion. Almost 2,500 direct jobs were created in the sanitation sector. And about 15,000 sanitation loans were granted, worth over 8 million euros. Finish Inc. brings together financial institutions, NGOs, a knowledge institute, and the Kenyan Ministry of Health. The partnership is co-funded by the Netherlands Ministry of Foreign Affairs through the Sustainable Water Fund. This is one of 40 innovative public-private partnerships under the Sustainable Water Fund for realizing SDG 6 and 7. Together, we can contribute to positive, lasting changes in the world.